My guess, and I'm already seeing this trend start to happen, is that coding will just go away. It just won't be stuff that we humans do. But I think engineering and the developer role, it will still be there. Just that we don't type lines of code in the same way that we no longer make punch cards. Or most of us don't write machine code and poke values into registers and using assembly language, right? That's one change. The other is smaller teams, which I'm already seeing now. I think the idea of a cross-functional team of 5 to 7 people, traditionally, that's something that was considered to be quite necessary in order to have all the different skills needed to deliver a feature in a product. But that's not the case anymore. For teams to understand how to use AI, you no longer need that. And if you skip ahead 2 or 3 years, when this knowledge has spread, then I think most teams will be 2 people and an AI. And then as a consequence of that, we'll just have more teams, is my guess. So more and smaller teams. And of course, then you need to collaborate between the teams. So cross-team synchronization is still going to be an issue. This concept of sprints, I mean, the whole point is to give a team some peace of mind to build something complex. Because typically you would need a week or 2 to build something complex. But now when it takes a day and some good prompting to do the same thing that would have taken a whole sprint, then the sprint is a day instead. So I think sprints will just kind of shrink into oblivion. But what's going to be left instead is something a little bit similar, which is some kind of a synchronization point or follow-up point. So instead of a sprint where every 2 weeks we sit down and try to make a plan and then kind of create a space of not too much change happening, I think it'll be very much continuous delivery on a day-to-day basis. But then maybe every week or 2 we take a step back and just reflect a little bit and say, okay, what have we been delivering the past couple of weeks? What have we been learning? What's our high-level focus for the next couple of weeks? So like a very lightweight equivalent of a sprint is my guess. I feel pretty confident about that guess because personally, we are already there with my team. I think it'll become a bit of a norm.
You're setting the models again, Henrik.